everyone and welcome back to English with Kaylee. Today is lesson 3 of our English language course, and in today's lesson you are going to learn the pronunciation of 6 vowel sounds in English and syllable stress for several words. So let's get started. So, as I'm sure you know, there are 5 vowels in the English language. Listen to them. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. But there are many different sounds of vowels, and today we are going to learn 6 of them. Listen. I. Fish. I. It. I. This. I. The next one is E. So it's a different sound, not the spelling, it's the sound. E. Look at the word. Tree. E. He. E. She. E. The next one is A. A. Look at the words. Cat. A. Am. A. The next one is oo. Ooh. Boot. Ooh. You. Ooh. The next one is A. Train. A. They. A. And the last one is I. I. Hi, I. Listen to the sounds again. I. Fish. It. This. E. Tree. He. She. A. Cat. Am. Ooh. Boot. You. A. Train. They. I, hi. So remember, these writings here is the phonetic spelling. So it's easy to identify the sound that you need to make within a new word. So now we're going to try an exercise. So you're going to have 3 minutes to put the following words into the correct column. So make sure you get a notepad and a pen and write down your answers. Name. A. Name. Is. I. Is. Thanks. A. Thanks. My. I. My. We. E. So you have 5 words that have different vowel sounds. You now have 3 minutes to write the correct word under the correct column. Good luck! So let's go through the answers. Did you get it correct? So the first one, name, A. Which sound is this? Good, like train, they, name. They all have the same sound. Well done. Is. So this is a short sound. Good, it goes in the first column. Is. What about thanks? Thanks. This is a short A sound. Good. Cat, thanks. Thanks. Well done. Good. The next one is my. Good. It's got this I sound. My, like hi or I. Well done. And that means the last one, we. That long E sound. Good. Goes under the second sound. Well done. Great. Let's move on to the next part of the lesson. So next up we have syllable stress. So you're thinking, Kaylee, what is a syllable? Syllables are the sounds within a word. Okay, so we can see a picture there, and the picture is of a computer. So there are 3 syllable sounds. Computer. A good way to practice syllable sounds is to clap them out. Computer. There are 3 sounds within the word. Now, the stressed syllable is the strong sound. It's the sound that we put emphasis on. Listen, computer. Which one is the strong sound? Good. Pew. Computer. So pew is the strong sound. So we say it's the stressed syllable. This is important when you speak in English to make sure everyone can understand you clearly. Let's take a look at an exercise. So here you have to decide, what is the stressed syllable? Which sound is the stressed syllable? Listen to the first word. Coffee. Which one is the strong sound? Coffee. Good. It's the coffee. So the first sound is the strong sound. Now, more often than not in English, the first sound is the stressed syllable. Okay, but not always. So it's important to practice. Look at number 2. Hot dog. Which word is the strong sound? Hot dog. Good. Hot dog. Excellent. Let's look at the next one. Email. Which one is the strong sound? Good. Email. Okay, E is our strong syllable. Well done. Let's look at the next one. Airport. Which one is our strong syllable? Excellent. Airport. Air is the strong syllable of the 2. What about the next one? Toilet. Good. Toilet. Toy is where we put the emphasis in our voice, in the sound that we make. Number 6. We've done this one, so can you remember the answer? Computer. Good. It's the pew sound here. Computer. Well done. What about the next one? Hotel. Which one is the strong sound? Listen again. Hotel. Which one is the stressed syllable? Good. In this one, it's the second syllable, tell. Hotel. Well done. The next one, pizza. Which one is the stress syllable? Good, the first one, pizza, pizza, pizza. And then the last one, this one has 3 syllables, internet, internet, internet. Which one is the strong syllable, the stress syllable? Good, the first one, internet, internet. Well done. Okay, we've looked at several words here and you can see the images next to it so that you can translate it into your own language. Now we're going to work on placing these words into the correct column. Put the words into the correct column. So we have one column for food, one column for travel. This means to go on holiday or to go to another place. And the last one is communication. Communication. This is how we speak to each other. So the first one has been done for you. Coffee. Coffee. Don't forget, we put the emphasis, the stress on the first part of the word. Coffee. Coffee. Now we have some other words. We have hot dog, email, airport, toilet, computer, hotel, pizza, and internet. Internet. So now you're going to have 3 minutes to fill out the rest of the columns with the correct word. So look at hot dog. Is hot dog a food, something we eat? Is it travel, going to another place? Or is it communication, how we speak to each other? Can you put them into the correct column? You have 3 minutes to do this. Good luck! Okay then everyone, let's go through the answers. So the first one was hot dog. Hot dog, is that a food, travel or communication? Good, it's a food, it's something that we eat, isn't it? Well done, good. What about email? Email. So is this food, how we travel, where we go, or how we speak to each other? Good. Email is how we communicate. We can write an email to our friend, to our colleague at work. Good. What about airport? Airport. Is that a food, how we go somewhere, or how we speak to each other? Good. This is travel. This is where the airplanes, all right, where the planes are. So if we're going to fly to another country, we have to go to the airport. Well done. What about the next one? Toilet. Now, toilet can be used in many different situations, but looking at these three, is it a food? Is it what we use when we travel? Or is it how we communicate? Good, it's in travel. So at the airport or at the train station, you may need to use the toilet before you get on the plane, before you get on the train, or whilst you're on the train. Good. What about the next one? Computer. Computer. Is it a food? Is it how we go somewhere? Or is it how we communicate? Good, we can use it to communicate because we use the computer to send emails to each other. Or now we can even call through using our computers. Good. What about the next one? Hotel. Hotel. Is it a food? Is it travel? Or is it communication? Good. It goes under travel because when we travel somewhere, we need to sleep somewhere, and lots of people will sleep in a hotel. Good, well done. What about pizza? Pizza. I think everybody knows this one. Yes, it's a food, isn't it? Good. And then the last one is internet. Internet. So of course this one has to be communication. Excellent. Now we are going to be using these words in the next lesson. So make sure that you pause the video and write down any new words that you found. Okay? Well done everyone. That is the end of lesson 3 and I look forward to seeing you in lesson 4 next time. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.